Hi, I'm Emily from Motor Match in Stoke, and today I'm going to be showing you around this manual Ford Kuga in black. This stylish vehicle boasts a 1.5 litre petrol engine that meets Euro 6 emission standards. Located at the front of this stylish SUV, you will find the full LED headlamps with your LED daytime running lights to ensure the road ahead is always illuminated, complemented by the LED rear lights to ensure you are always visible to other road users. This vehicle stands on these stylish 10-spoke rock metallic 18-inch alloy wheels which complement the car's exterior perfectly. Into the rear we have the gorgeous leather and suede upholstery with your red stitching there, as well as Isofix anchor points to secure those child seats. You also have a movable armrest with exposed cup holders and a ventilation system with the charge port located in the back. To the vehicle's automatic tailgate now, which reveals ample of room inside, also with a built-in parcel shelf for privacy for your belongings. Into the front of the cabin, the stylish look continues with that same upholstery on the front two seats as the back, and we also get a glimpse here at your steering wheel, and your front seat is also electrically adjustable to help you find your perfect driving position with ease. Taking a closer look at the multifunctional steering wheel there, and ahead there we have your digital display where, as you can see, you can change the drive mode of the vehicle dependent on your journey that day from the wide range of options available. Over now to the infotainment system. You can explore all of the radio options available or connect your own devices to enjoy music. You can also connect to make and receive those all-important phone calls, as well as access navigation to ensure you never get lost on those unfamiliar journeys. You can also connect via Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for seamless smartphone connectivity, and adjust the Bang & Olufsen sound system inside the vehicle for premium sound quality. You also have a rear camera with sensors provided to make manoeuvring easier than ever. Below we have your easy-to-use climate control, and further below a USB and a USB-C charge port to ensure the devices are always charged up. Thank you for watching this presentation on this manual Ford Kuga in black. If you are interested in this vehicle, please contact our friendly sales team here at Motor Match Stoke.